Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Students, we are learning first lesson, that is computer networking. We are learning first lesson, that is computer networking. All of you open your textbooks, children. So what we learned in last previous two classes are computer networking, need of networking means uses of networking. Next, what we discussed, media means which media we are using to communicate through the computers. Physical media and wireless media. In physical media we are using twisted pair cables, coaxial cables and fiber optic cables. Coming to wireless media, infrared waves, microwave transmission, radio wave transmission, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. These are all the media which are supporting to communicating with the computers. Okay, children. And next, what we learned, types of networks. Types of networks based on area covered means how much distance a network will cover. Depending upon that, we divide networks into four types, that are PAN. PAN means personal area network, and LAN means local area network. MAN means metropolitan area network. WAN means wide area network. Okay, children. So these are the types of network based on area covered. Again, we divided networks into another types depending upon the based on topology. Topology means structure of the network. So we divided these also four types. Those are bus topology or linear topology, ring topology, star topology and mesh topology. These all we learned in last previous classes. Okay. Today we are going to learn about protocols. What is the role of protocols in a network? What is the role of protocols in a network? Children, in networks, protocols plays an important role in networks. So what is a protocol? How it will work? That we will now discuss. Okay, children. See protocols. Protocols is see in your textbook page number 12. Protocols. Protocol is a set of rules used by computers on a computer network. Used by computers on a computer network to communicate with each other. So, what is the role of the protocol? It helps to computers in the computer network how to communicate with each other. Okay, children. The computers that follow the same rules or protocols are able to exchange information even if they have different operating systems. So these protocols are able to exchange information from one computer to another computer if they are having different operating systems. For example, in one computer it is having Windows 7, in another computer it is having Windows 10. Then also we can communicate, we can transfer data from one computer to another computer. So like that we can share data by using these protocols. Okay. Some examples of protocols are HTTP and TCP/IP. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So what is the role of this protocol in the networks? We will see. See, it is the protocol used between a web server and a web browser for transferring HTML pages. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is that it is used as a protocol, means it is used as a mediator between web server and web browser for transferring HTML pages. We already learned HTML. Then what we are doing? We are typing coding in Notepad and we are browsing this coding with the browser. Is it right? So this browser will connect to the Google Chrome browser connected to the Google Chrome server. Then the server will help this browser to show the output, means converting the coding into the output. So these all network, how it is forming, how this process is all going by help of the HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Nothing but it acts as a mediator between the web server and the web browser for transferring HTML pages. Next, see TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. What are the role of these protocols? We will see. The protocol is used along with the Internet Protocol to transfer data over the net. The data is transferred in small packets. TCP is responsible for dividing the data into packets before they are sent and for reassembling the packets when they arrive at the destination. IP is a set of specifications that determines the best route for the packets across the internet so that the packets reach their destination and address. So these two protocols are also plays a very important role in the network to transfer data from one computer to another computer. See how these two protocols play their roles means transmission control protocol. What is the role of this transmission control protocol is, I already said, if you send data from one computer to another computer, first that data will divided into or splitted into small packets. So in that small packets only the data will transfer from one computer to another computer. So what is the role of this transmission control protocol is, see here, the data is transferred in small packets. TCP is responsible for dividing the data into packets before they are sent and for reassembling the packets when they arrive at the destination. So what is the transmission control protocol? When we are sending data, before sending data, that data will divided by transmission control protocol. After reaching data, that data will also combined or reassembled by this transmission control protocol. Understand? So what is the transmission control protocol will do? It will divide data into packets before sending, and after arriving data, these divided packets again it will reassemble by the transmission control protocol. So this is the role of the transmission control protocol in a network. Next, coming to the Internet Protocol. What is the role of this protocol? See children, IP is a set of specification that determines the best route. IP determines the best route for the packets across the internet. So what it will shows the route. It will show the route to the packets, which route is better to reach their destination computer. It shows to the data or packets which route is the better route to reach the destination fast and quickly or efficiently. Which route is the best? That route will show this Internet Protocol. See here, IP is a set of specification that determines the best route for the packets across the internet so the packets reach their destination address correctly, fastly and efficiently. So this is the role of the Internet Protocol. So children, these three protocols plays an important role in a networking for transferring data from one computer to another computer. So students, this is our first lesson. Up to here, I finished the first lesson explanation. Now I am going to give the notes for this lesson. Okay children?
Okay children, before saying to how to write notes, I want to give one work. That is, once you revise this full lesson, then only you can understand good. Okay children? Now I am going to give instruction how to write notes for the first lesson. Keep a white pages notebook for computer CW and write these all. So what you have to write first? You have to write first this multiple choice question and answers. After that differentiate between. After that one word answers. After that question and answers. After that hearts are there. After that discussion time is there. How you have to write I will explain children. Okay. So see children, first here given no page number 13 you see. here given multiple choice question and answers. Okay. In that first one you see, tick the correct option. So what is the first one is what? What is the importance of computer network? Here 4 options are given. It is an effective communication medium. It allows sharing resources. It lets users share files. All of the above. So what is the answer? All of the above is the answer. So see what is the second question. It consists of a pair of insulated wires twisted together. What is the answer? Twisted pair cable. Next see what is the third blank. This is an open wireless protocol for exchange data over short distance from fixed and mobile devices. So what is the answer? Bluetooth. Next see. It determines the fastest available path. Which one? Router. Next. It is used communication between devices such as phones, personal digital assistants, printers, laptops, etc. that are closely proximally. What is that? PAN. Personal digital assistants. Personal area network is there, no? That one. So this is the multiple choice question and answers, children. Next see section B. Here what's given? Differentiate between the following pairs. First one is LAN and WAN. So we have to differentiate local area network and wide area network. For that answer, see page number 10 you see. Page number 10. Here is the first paragraph, LAN. From this side heading onwards to full up to building. Okay. So we have to differentiate between LAN and WAN, no? Now we marked only for LAN and we have to mark again WAN. In the 10th page, see last paragraph, WAN. WAN stands for wide area network is there, no? From side heading onwards. Here onwards to topics with people, etc. Up to here. So you should write first question answer. First you have to write first question. After that you put heading LAN and write that paragraph. After that you put side heading WAN and write this paragraph. LAN side heading, that paragraph, WAN side heading, this paragraph. This is the first question answer. So see children, what is the second question? In the section B, differentiate between coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. Coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. For this one, see in which page answer is there? See page number 6. Page number 6 you see. Coaxial cable. Side heading is there, no? From here onwards, insulator on it. Up to here you should write. This is about coaxial cable. And we have to differentiate with coaxial cable with fiber optic cable, no? So see page number 7. Here fiber optic cable is there, no? Side heading. From here onwards to here, no? Installation. During installation. Up to here. So for differentiate between coaxial cable and fiber optic cable, you should write page number 6. Coaxial cable side heading you put and write this paragraph, and fiber optic cable put this side heading and write this paragraph up to installation. So this is the second question answer in section B. Next see children, section C. What is here given? Section C. Write one word for the following. These are all one word answer questions. So what is the first you see? The amount of data that can be transferred through a transmission media at a given time. What is that? Bits per second. Bits per second. Next, it converts analog signals to digital and vice versa. What is that device? Modem. This device is used to connect two similar networks. gateway. Next, see children. Fourth one. Computers in this network communicate using telephone lines, satellites, etc. What is that network? WAN. Wide area network. What is that answer? Wide area network. Wide area network. Okay children. Next. In this topology, the data travels in one direction around the circle from computer to computer. What is the answer? Ring topology. Next, it's a protocol used between a web server and a web browser for transferring HTML pages. That is HTTP. You write in bracket full form also. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next, see children. Question and answers. Answer the following questions. First question, what? Define the term network. What are the needs of networking? See, where is this answer? This question answer, where is that in? Page number 5 you see. Page number 5, second paragraph, second line. Second paragraph, second line. First, these are question and answers. In section B, we marked those are differences, means distinguish between. These are question and answers. So, section D, question and answers. The first question is second paragraph, second line. A computer network is a collection of computers and other resources like printers, scanners, software, data, etc. connected together so they can communicate with each other. The computer that is connected to a network is called a workstation. A computer is not connected to a network is called a standalone PC. From here onwards to here you should write. Next, first question answer not completed. Come down. Here is side heading, no need for networking. From here onwards, that full 4 points you should write. Reducing speed and cost of information. That point full. Here I know a cheaper way to transfer the data. So now we understood what is the first question answer. Second, page number 5, second paragraph, second line, a computer. From there onwards to third paragraph ending, that is a standalone PC. That and need for networking from side heading onwards to that 4 points full, a cheaper way to transfer the data. Up to here you should write. This is the first question answer. Next, see children, what is second question? Write a note on twisted pair and coaxial cables. So where is this answer? See, page number 6. Here is there no twisted pair cable. From here onwards you should write. Here coaxial cable is there no? Twisted pair cable and coaxial cable up to here. Insulator on it. So you should write twisted pair cable paragraph and coaxial cable paragraph. This is the second question answer. Yes, it is repeated in differentiating between also, it is repeated, but no problem, you should write again here also. Okay. Next, see what is the third question. What are the advantages of optical fiber cables? See where is this answer? Yes, see page number 7. Fiber optic cable is there no? From here onwards. The side heading is there no? From here onwards you should write full standard of here na? All these are thin strands of glass which can break easily during installation. Up to here you write the third question answer. You see it is repeated. I know it is repeated in differentiating also is there and here also is there. No problem, you should write here also. 2 times you should write there and here also you have to write. Next, see what is the fourth question answer. How is hub different from a switch? See page number 8. Here is there no hub. From here onwards. Okay. See page number 9. First paragraph ending. Data is not to be used by them. Up to here you should write. Put hub side heading and write full about hub. And next put switch side heading and write full about switch up to by them. Okay. Next. Define the term modem. Why do we use it? Where is this question answer? See page number 8. Modem is there, no? Side heading. From here onwards you should write full paragraph. The analog signal to the digital signal. Okay children, up to there the fifth question answer. And see what is the sixth question answer. Write the purpose of using a router. Where is this answer? See page number 9. Here is there no router? From here onwards to side heading. Router. Here onwards this full paragraph up to into the original message. So this is the sixth question answer. Okay children. Next. After that see here hearts is given. What is here given? One question is given, that is general question. So you have to write this question answer by your own words. Okay, what is that question? I will explain once. You write answer for this question by your own words. Okay children. Is the following statement true? As soon as your computer is connected to a network, you have to start thinking about the security of your files, information, etc. Why not? Discuss. Children, if you connected your computer to a network, you must think about the security of your computer and your files and information. Why? Because when you are downloading or transferring from one computer to another computer data, or if you are receiving data from another computer to your computer, or from internet to your computer, or downloading any files from internet to your computer, through these files, side of these files, the virus files also will download. We already discussed no this lesson. Viruses, one lesson in 8th class we discussed no. So when you are downloading any files or data, movies or anything, side of this with these files, side of this virus files also downloading. So to avoid this problem, we have to give security to our computer. We should install antivirus softwares. Okay. So this is the answer for this question. You have to write this question answer in your own words. Next, see lab work is there. This one we will see after opening our school. Next, see the last one, discussion time. This also you have to write in your own words. Write the importance of networking with the real life examples. So what are the uses of networking in our real life? For example, you have to transfer photos or videos from mobile to computer or computer to mobile. How you will transfer? That is one real example. And you are sending photos and anything data from your mobile to another mobile. How you are sending? Okay. So like that, any 3 examples you write. Okay children. So these are all the nothing you have to write to transfer photos or movies or anything from mobile to laptop or laptop to mobile. That is one example. Next, we can share a printer to number of computers. That is one example. Right? That real-time examples in your real life any examples are there. How you are using network. You have to write 3 examples by your own. So children, how you have to write notes now? keep a white pages notebook and put heading neatly, networking. After that you write first multiple choice question and answers. After that you write differentiate between the following pairs. After that you write one word question and answers. After that you write question and answers. After that you write hearts. This question you have to write, put heading hearts and note down this full question. After that write answer in your own words. Next put heading discussion time and write this question. After that you write this question, write any 3 examples by your own words how you are using network in your daily life. You have to write this 3 examples for this question. Okay children. So this is the notes for the first lesson. So I finished explanation and notes also for the first lesson. You have to write notes for next Saturday. Children, now I am giving to one notice, that is now first lesson I was completed first lesson explanation and notes giving also. I am removing these videos after 5 days. Means next Thursday or Friday I will remove all the videos related to this first lesson from the app. So children, as early as possible you watch the all videos and listen lessons properly and complete your notes for the first lesson. After Friday or Thursday, maximum Thursday or Friday, in the 2 days I will remove all these first lesson related videos from the app. Next Saturday I will start the second lesson. Okay children. So we will meet in the next class. Next class we will discuss about charts in Excel. Okay. Till then take care. Bye bye.